They told you success is all about data and logic, but what if that was a lie? Ever had a gut feeling steering you right or left? In today's world of AI and automation, intuition isn't just a hunch, it's your ultimate superpower. Ignoring it, you're missing out on your greatest competitive edge. Think about Steve Jobs. He didn't rely solely on market research. He trusted his intuition to create groundbreaking products like the iPhone. His success? A testament to the power of following one's gut. In a sea of data, what's your differentiator? It's the ability to blend intuition with information. This fusion leads to creativity, emotional intelligence, and visionary decisions. So, how can you harness this superpower? First, silence the noise. Dedicate time daily, just 10 minutes, to disconnect from distractions. This quiet time amplifies your inner voice. Next, act on those small gut feelings. Call that friend who randomly crossed your mind. Test your instincts with low risk decisions. Each action strengthens your intuitive muscle. Finally, marry logic with intuition. Gather your data, but let your gut guide the direction. The smartest decisions come from this synergy. Remember in this tech, Remember in our tech-driven era, your intuition sets you apart. Trust yourself. Take bold actions and watch as you navigate the future with confidence. If you're ready to unlock more success secrets and thrive in a digital age, hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this journey together. Talk soon.